Dear student, today we will solve WBBAC class 8 chapter 7 concept of vertically opposite angle. Concept of vertically opposite angle. Okay, first we will know what is called opposite angle. If two straight lines intersect at a point, four angles are formed at the point of intersection. Among them, two opposite angles are called opposite side angles. From the picture, we see opposite angles. Among these four angles, angles AOD and angle BOC and angle AOC and angle BOD are called opposite angles. Opposite angles are equal to each other. Now we will solve. Let's work out 7.1. Question 1. If two straight lines PQ and RS intersect at O and same vertically opposite angles are formed, let's draw them and write the name. Solution. Now from this question it is given that PQ and RS are two straight lines. So these two lines intersect at a point O. In the given manner to form a cross. Okay, now when these two lines intersect 2 points of vertically opposite angles are formed. From the picture we see opposite angles from our angle POS is equal to ROQ and angle POR and angle SOQ. Next questions. Question number 2. 2. Let's try to write the measurement of the angles from the figure given below. Question A. The opposite angle angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. The given angle 1 is equal to 35. Now angle 2 question mark, angle 3 question mark, angle 4 question mark. The solution. In the above given figure, let us understand the point of vertically opposite angle. From the figure, angle 1 opposite angle of angle 3. Therefore angle 1 is equal to 35 degree. Angle 1 is equal to 35 degree and angle 3 is equal to 35 degree. Okay, angle two opposite angle from of 4. Again we know angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree, or angle 2 is equal to 180 degree minus angle 1, or angle 2 is equal to 180 degree minus 35 degree. Put angle 1 value 35 degree. Therefore angle 2 is equal to 180 degree subtract 35 degree 145 degree. Therefore angle 2 is equal to 145 degree. We know angle 2 opposites angle of angle 4. Therefore angle 2 is equal to 45 degree, and so angle 2 is equal to 145 degree. Therefore angle 4 is equal to 145 degree. The answer is angle 1 35 degree, angle 2 145 degree, angle 3 35 degree, and angle 4 145 degree. Question number 2b. Let's try to write the measurement of the angle from the figure given below. Question B. This figure angle, the given angle TOS is equal to 20 degree, angle ROQ is equal to 60 degree, angle POT is equal to question mark, angle ROP is equal to question mark, angle QOS is equal to question mark. The solution: in the above given figure, let us understand the print of vertically opposite angle. From the figure, angle ROQ, angle opposite to angle POS. Therefore angle ROQ is equal to 60 degree. Therefore angle POS is equal to 60 degree. Angle QOS is equal to angle QOS, angle opposite to angle ROP. We know angle POS is equal to angle TOS plus POT. Therefore angle 60 degree is 60 degree is equal to 20 degree plus angle POT. Therefore angle POT plus 20 degree is equal to 60 degree, or angle POT is equal to 60 degree minus 20 degree. Therefore angle POT 60 degree minus 20 degree subtract 40 degree. Therefore angle POT is equal to 40 degree. Okay. Again we know angle ROP plus angle ROQ is equal to angle POQ, or angle ROP plus 60 degree is equal to 180 degree, or angle ROP is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree. 180 degree minus 60 degree subtract 120 degree. Therefore angle ROP is equal to 120 degree. The answer: angle TOS is equal to 20 degree, angle ROQ is equal to 60 degree, angle POT is equal to 40 degree, angle ROP is equal to 120 degree, angle QOS is equal to 120 degree. The next math question number 3. Draw two straight lines PQ and XY which intersect at O. Let's measure the vertically opposite angles by protractor. The solution: let us consider the two lines to be drawn in the following way. Two pairs of opposite angle formed by the intersect of two straight lines PQ and XY at point O. The resulting angles are angle POX and angle YOQ, and angle POY and angle XOQ can be measured by subseripeds. So angle POX is equal to angle YOQ is equal to question mark, and angle XOQ is equal to angle POY. You yourself have measured and write with the help in intersect. Next math solution, question number 4. Let's try to find out the answer to the questions given below. Studying the figure beside. Roman horror question 1. Let's write the names of two complementary angles. Let's write the names of two supplementary angles. And 3. Let's write the name of two vertically opposite angle. The solution: from the figure, question number 1. Complementary angle is defined as those pair of angles which sum up to 90 degree. Okay, from the figure above, angle AOD is equal to angle MOM plus angle DOM. Therefore, angle AOM and angle DOM are complementary angles. Okay, question number 2, solution. Supplementary angles can be defined as angle which sum up to 180 degree. Okay, from the figure, angle AOB is equal to angle AOC plus angle BOC, or angle AOD is equal to angle AOD plus angle BOD. Okay, angle AOC and angle BOC are complementary angles, and similarly angle AOD and angle BOD are complementary angles. And question number 3 is, from the figure above, angles AOD and angle BOD, and angle AOC and angle BOD are opposite angle, vertically opposite angle. Next math solution: if two straight lines intersect each other, then the measurement of the vertically opposite angle from equal. Prove it logically. The solution: let us consider two straight lines AB and CD intersecting at a point O. Okay, from the figure, the intersection of the straight lines AB and CD at point O products two pair of opposite angles, angle AOD and angle BOC, and angle AOC and angle BOD. To prove measures of opposite angle are equal, that is, angle AOD is equal to angle BOC and angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. Proof. Now, when we observe the above diagram, angle COD is equal to angle AOD plus angle AOC. I can tell from 180 degree is equal to angle AOD plus angle AOC. OA lines on the straight line CD. Equation number 1. Similarly, angle AOB is equal to angle AOC plus angle BOC. I can tell from the 180 degree is equal to angle AOC plus angle BOC. OC is perpendicular to the straight line AB. Equation number 2. Okay, 1 and 2 equations are compared. Angle AOD plus angle AOC is equal to angle AOC plus angle BOC, or angle AOD is equal to angle AOC plus angle BOC minus angle AOC. Therefore, angle AOD is equal to BOC. Angle AOC minus AOC subtracts 0. Then angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. Okay. Again, now when we observe the above diagram, angle COD is equal to angle COB plus DOB. I can tell from there 180 degree is equal to angle COB plus angle BOD. OB lines on the straight line CD. Equation number 1. Similarly, angle AOB is equal to angle AOC plus angle COB. I can tell from there 180 degree is equal to angle AOC plus angle COB. Therefore, OC is perpendicular to the straight line AB. Equation number 2. One and two equations are compared. Angle COB plus angle DOB is equal to angle AOC plus angle COB. Told now angle DOB is equal to angle AOC plus angle COB minus angle COB. Angle CO plus COB minus COB subtract 0. Or told now angle BOD is equal to angle AOC. Okay. Hence, it is proved that angle AOD is equal to angle BOC and angle BOD is equal to angle AOC are equal, and at the same time they are vertically opposite angle. Question number 6. Let's write the measurement of angle BOD, angle BOC and angle AOC. Okay, solution. From the concept of the opposite angle, from figure, angle AOD, angle opposite side angle BOC, angle AOC, angle opposite to angle BOD. From figure, angle AOD is equal to angle AOB is equal to 120 degree. We know angle AOB is equal to angle AOD plus angle BOD. OC is perpendicular to the straight line AB. I can tell from there, or angle 180 degree is equal to 120 degree plus angle BOD. Arrange and write therefore 120 degree plus angle BOD is equal to 180 degree. I can tell from there angle BOD is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree. By subtracting 180 degree and 120 degree, we get 60 degree. Therefore, angle BOD is equal to angle AOC is equal to 60 degree. The answer, angle AOD is equal to BOC is equal to 120 degree and angle BOD is equal to angle AOC is equal to 60 degree. Question number 7. Sum of measurement of angle POR and angle QOS is 110 degree. Let's write the measurement of angle POS, angle QOS, angle QOR and angle POR. The solution. From the concept of the opposite angle in the figure, angle POR angle opposite to angle QOS and angle POS angle opposite to angle QOR. We can tell from the numbers angle POR plus POR plus QOS is equal to 110 degree. I can tell from there angle POR plus angle POR is equal to 110 degree. I can tell from there two angle POR is equal to 110 degree. Angle POR plus angle POR, two angle POR is equal to some angle 2 POR is equal to 110 degree. Or I can tell from the angle POR is equal to 110 degree by 2, so divided 55 degree. So therefore angle POR is equal to 55 degree. Therefore angle POR, we know angle POR is equal to angle QOS is equal to 55 degree. Okay, again we know angle POQ is equal to angle POS plus angle QOS. Therefore OS is perpendicular to the straight line PQ. I can tell from there 180 degree is equal to angle POS plus 55 degree. Arrange and write angle POS plus 55 degree is equal to 180 degree. I can tell from the angle POS is equal to 180 degree minus 55 degree. By subtract 180 degree and 55 degree, we get 125 degree. Therefore angle POS is equal to 125 degree. Concept of opposite angle, angle POS is equal to angle QOR is equal to 125 degree. The angles are angle POS 1 is equal to 125 degree, angles QOS is equal to 55 degree, angle QOR is equal to 125 degree, and angle POR is equal to 55 degree. Next math, question number 8. OP, OQ, OR and OS are concurrent. OP and OR are on the same straight line. P and R are situated on opposite side of the point O. Angle POQ is equal to angle ROS and angle POQ is equal to angle QOR if angle POQ is equal to 50 degree. Then write the measurement of angle QOR, ROS and POS. Solution. Let us consider two straight lines PQ and SQ intersecting at a point O. Told us angle POQ is equal to ROS and angle POS is equal to angle QOR. I can tell from there angle POQ is equal to ROS is equal to 50 degree. We know angle POS plus ROS is equal to angle POR. OS is perpendicular to the straight line PR. I can tell from there from there angle POS plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree, or angle POS is equal to 180 degree minus 50 degree. By subtracting 180 degree and 50 degree, we get 130 degree. Therefore, angle POS is equal to 130 degree. So I can tell from there angle POS. Sorry, now told us angle POS is equal to angle QOR is equal to 130 degree. Now sir, if angle POQ is equal to 50 degree, then angle POS is equal to 130 degree, angle ROS 50 degree, and angle QOR is equal to 130 degree. Next math, question number 9. 4 rays meet at a point in such a way that measure of opposite angle are equal. Let's prove that two straight lines are formed by those 4 rays. The solution: let's us consider 4 rays OP, OQ, OR and OS meet at a common point. Now in this rays the common point is O. Hence, all the rays meet at a common point O. From the figure above, 4 rays PQ, RO, QO and SO meet at point O in such a way that opposite angles are equal. That is, angle POS is equal to angle ROQ and angle POR is equal to angle SOQ. Then prove that PO, RO, QO and SO from two straight lines, that is PQ and RS. Then proved I can tell from there 4 rays PQ, RO, QO and SO meet at point O. I can tell from the angle POS plus angle ROQ plus angle POR plus angle SOQ is equal to 360 degree. We know concept of opposite angles. Angle I can tell from that angles ROQ plus angle ROQ plus angle SOQ plus angle SOQ is equal to 360 degree. We know concept of the opposite angles. Angles POS is equal to angles ROQ and angles POR is equal to angle SOQ. I can tell from that, देखो angle POQ plus angle ROQ plus angle ROQ, 2 ROQ or 2 ROQ plus angle SOQ plus angle SOQ, 2SOQ is equal to 360 degree. I can tell from the common 2. The 2 first bracket angle ROQ plus angle SOQ close first bracket is equal to 360 degree. I can tell from there angle ROQ plus angle SOQ is equal to 360 degree divided 2, so divided by 180 degree. Therefore angles ROQ plus angle SOQ is equal to 180 degree. I can tell from there the sum of two adjacent angles ROQ and angle SOQ is 180 degree. So point R is ray, so the same straight line. Similarly, now I can tell from there the sum of two similarly now angle POS plus angle SOQ is equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle QROQ plus angle SOQ is equal to 180 degree. The concept of opposite angles POS is equal to angles ROQ. I can tell from there thus the sum of two adjacent angles, angle POS and angle SOQ is 180 degree. So points PQ ray on the same straight line. I can tell from that therefore PO, RO, QO and SO meet at O from two straight lines PQ and RS. Hence it is proof that four rays intersect from two straight lines. Next math, let's prove that internal and external bisectors of and angles are perpendicular to each other. Solution. Let us first draw a figure to support our proof. In the above figure, AB is a straight line. O is a point of intersection of line with ray OD, OC and OE. From the figure above, OD is the bisector of an angle BOC and OE is the bisector. Then to prove OD and OE are perpendicular to each other, then proof I can tell from there angle BOC is the exterior angle of angle AOC. I can tell from the angle BOC plus angle AOC is equal to 180 degree, equation 1. Then I can tell from there OD is the bisector of angle BOC. I can tell from the angle BOC is equal to 2 angle COD, equation number 2. I can tell from there again the exterior angle of angle BOC is the hypotenuse of angle AOC OE. I can tell from the angle AOC is equal to 2 angle COE, equation number 3. From equation 1 we get angle BOC plus angle AOC is equal to 180 degree. I can tell from there 2 angle COD plus 2 angle COE is equal to 180 degree. Common to I can write from there 2 open first bracket angle COD plus angle COE is equal to close first bracket is equal to 180 degree. I can now from there angle COD plus angle COE is equal to 180 degree by 2 is equal to 90 degree. I can now from there therefore OD and OE are perpendicular to each other. Since the angle is 90 degree, it is proof that internal and external bisector of an angle are perpendicular to each other. Question number 11. If two straight lines intersect each other, 4 angles are formed. Let's prove that the sum of measurement of the 4 angles is 4 right angles. The solution from the figure above. The straight lines PQ and RS intersect at O, forming angles angle POR, angle ROQ, angle POS and angle SOQ. I can tell from there to prove angle POR plus angle QOR plus angle POS plus angle QOS is equal to 4 right angle or 360 degree. Proof I can tell from there ray OR is incident on the straight line PQ. I can tell from the angle POR plus angle QOR is equal to 180 degree. Equation number 1. Again, ray OS is ray OS is incident on the straight line PQ. Therefore angle POS plus angle QOS is equal to 180 degree. Equation number 2. I can tell from the adding equation equation number 1 and equation number 2, we get angle POR plus angle QOR plus angle POS plus angle QOS is equal to 180 degree plus 180 degree. Therefore angle POR plus angle QOR plus angle POS plus angle QOS is equal to 360 degree is equal to right angle proved. Hence it is proved that the sum of the measurement of the four angle is four right angles. Question number 12. If triangle angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ, if we extend QR on the both side, then two exterior angles are formed. Let's prove that the measurement of external angle are equal. Solution. Let's ask first let us first contrast diagram from the above proof. Angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ of triangle PQR. Extending side QR to S and T respectively forms exterior angle PQS and angle PRT. I can tell from the two proof angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. Proof. Ray QR is incident on the straight line SR. I can tell from the angle PQS plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degree. Equation number 1. Again, the ray RP is incident on the straight line QT. Therefore, angle PRT plus PRQ is equal to 180 degree. Equation number 2. The adding equation number 1 and equation number 2, we get angle PQS plus angle PQR is equal to angle PRT plus angle PRQ, or PQS plus angle PQR is equal to angle PRT plus angle PQR. Concept of opposite angle PRQ is equal to angle PQR, or angle PQS is equal to angle PRT plus angle PQR minus angle PQR. Angle PQR and angle PQR subtract 0. Now I can tell from the and therefore angle PQS is equal to angle PRT proved. Hence, it is proof that the measurement of external angle is equal. Next question, question number 13. Two straight lines intersect each other at a point and those four angles are formed. Let's prove that the bisectors of those angles are two perpendicular straight lines. Solution. Let us first draw a diagram for the above equation. In the above figure, angle POR, angle QOR, angle POS and angle SQOS are formed by the intersection of straight line PQ and RS at point O. OA, BO, CO and DO bisects from four angles respectively. To prove the bisectors of two perpendicular lines, that is OA, OC and OB, OD are on the same lines and AC perpendicular BD. Now proof. I can tell from there the opposite angle of angle POS is angle ROQ and the opposite angles of angle POR is angle SOQ given. Okay, now I can tell from the OA is bisector of angle POR. Therefore, angle AOP is equal to angle AOR is equal to 1 by 2 angle POR. Then BO is the bisector of angle QOR. Therefore, angle BOR is equal to angle BOQ is equal to 1 by 2 angle ROQ. Then CO is the bisector of angle SOQ. Therefore, angle SCOS is equal to COQ is equal to 1 by 2 angle SOQ. DO is the bisector of angle POR. Therefore, angle DOP is equal to angle DOS is equal to 1 by 2 angle POS. Now, angle AOD plus angle BOC is equal to angle DOP plus angle AOP plus angle AOR plus angle ROB is equal to 1 by 2 angle POS plus angle POR plus angle 1 by 2 angle ROQ. Therefore, the opposite angle of angle POS is angle ROQ. Now, angle 1 by 2 angle ROQ plus angle POR plus angle 1 by 2 angle ROQ. The adding 1 by 2 angle ROQ plus angle 1 by 2 angle ROQ. Addition is 1. Okay, tai now angle ROQ plus angle POS is equal to 180 degree. Therefore OR is incident on the straight line PQ. Now I can tell from there the sum of two adjacent angles, angle AOD and angle AOB is 180 degree. I can tell from there, therefore OB and OD ray on same straight lines. Similarly, it can be proof that OA and OC ray on the same straight line. I can from there angle AOD is equal to angle AOP plus angle POD is equal to 1 by 2 angle ROP plus 1 by 2 angle POS. Common 1 by 2 is equal to angle POR plus angle POS. I can write from there angle POR plus angle POS is 180 degree is equal to 1 by 2 into 180 degree. OP is perpendicular to the straight line RS. Now multiplying 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 90 degree is equal to 90 degree. Angle OAT is equal to 90 degree. I can tell from the straight lines AC and BD are perpendicular to each there. Therefore AC perpendicular BD proved. Since the angle is 90 degree, it is proof that the bisectors of those angles are two perpendicular straight line. Thank you.